Hey guys, this is a very simple, basic spell to make someone think of your love interest X, to think of you to the point where they can't resist it when they're going to contact you. Keep in mind, this is simple. Okay, I have bigger teachings out there. Check out the YouTube channel. Hit me up if you need any further information, if you need my assistance with any of these type of works, okay? But a simple technique, but do it with the right intention. Know what you're doing. Get a small piece of paper, not too big. Write their full name and surname out there 3 times in red pen. Place it on a piece of paper, take some saliva, put it on the paper, cover it with sugar, and take a red candle with your name inscribed on it and their name. Put a bit of wax on the paper so enough to half cover it. Stick the candle on there and work it for 5 days, which means you light the candle, you up your vibration to as high as possible, and you focus clearly in the candle flame that this person can't stop thinking about you. They're thinking about you all the time and are contacting you now. Let it burn for 5 to 10 minutes, snuff it out, repeat for 5 days, and on the last day let it burn out completely, and let the paper burn a bit as well.